If you're documenting complex screens or system or process inside Confluence, you already know the struggle. Word alone cannot communicate everything clearly. That's where Gliffy Diagrams for Confluence becomes a game changer. It lets you create professional diagrams right inside Confluence without leaving the page and without leaving the design experience. With Gliffy, you turn technical knowledge into visual clarity. It's secure, AI driven, and purpose built for teams working in Confluence. Plus, it's the only full integrated diagramming app in Confluence to achieve SOC Type 2 compliance and the Cloud Fortify certifications. Whenever you will navigate it to Gliffy Diagrams for Confluence, you can see it's Cloud Fortified, and you can see here other certifications also in place where it already have SOC type 2 compliance, which is helping or making this product better. To start with this easily, you can click on try it for free and you will get 30 days trial for free of cost. If you wanted me to share the link, feel free to refer my description tab where I've already included the applications links in descriptions. Welcome to raigurkul.com, and today I am going to show you three important diagrams how we can create it with the help of Gliffy for Confluence. For creating that, you don't need any special technicality or special knowledge behind it. Everything will be done with the help of either AI or some simple clicks provided by Gliffy. And why Gliffy is required? With Gliffy, you turn technical knowledge into visual clarity. It's secure, AI driven, and purpose built for teams working in Confluence. You can take technical document to the next level. Architecture diagrams, workflow, database, models, system behaviors, everything stays clean, visual, and extremely easy to understand. No extra tools, no exporting, no messy links. It all lives inside the Confluence. So what I will cover today. In this video, I will show you three powerful Gliffy diagrams types, which is flowcharts to clarify workflow and processes, UML diagrams to explain system structure and interactions, entity relationship diagrams, that is ERD, to map database tables and relationships. So let's directly jump in. Post try it for free. You will have this interface available where you can see I have already installed. Even if you wanted to see the ratings of other users, it is having very good rating, and installations count is also very massive. So you can always trust on these tools where it helps you to make your life easier. So post installations here, either you can jump into the articles or new blog. After that, just press forward slash and type Gliffy diagram. Whenever you'll type this, you will see this logo along with that lot of diagrams interactions. Now, question for you is what type of diagrams would you be looking to create? When we are talking about flowcharts, here we have flowcharts and BPMN, then ERD. Along with that, we also have several other charts like importing diagram, searching for diagram, retrospective, Scrum. The moment we'll click on these diagrams, it automatically show you some samples, and you can add these samples to make your life easier. Interactive diagrams will help you to create your entire Confluence more easy to use, and planning, documentations, flowcharts, everything is available here. Gliffy always provided some samples which you can use it, add it or modify it. Now to start with this, I wanted to create a new diagram. where first I will start with flowcharts. Select this and double click or click on create. It started giving you interfaces how you can design. So first of all, what is flowcharts? So flowcharts are perfect when you want to communicate how a process works. You can document like business workflows, approval cycles, automations, support processes, development pipelines. With Gliffy drag and drop shapes, connecting steps is effortless. Decision points, loop, exceptions, everything becomes clear in seconds. End result is no more confusions about what happens next. To start with this, BPM activities as well. If you wanted to build other diagram, we can also use these details. Like I want to start some interface, so I will just start with this where here I will add some text. I will just draw start step. I will add here. I wanted to build one end-to-end flow. After this, I will add this diagram where I can connect with some lines. So here I will just drag and drop, and this is my flow started. Consider we wanted to start with any Jira status updates, and these updates, how it flows, I can build it. I just connected with it, and along with that, I want the new steps to be added. So this is the new steps which I have created. After that, I will add next step in progress, and here we'll add development, and after this I will add QA, and next options I can add as UA. Done. Maybe this is the final step I want, and post this I can close it. That is end. Here I will select these. After this it should go to here. Then we have this connected. Connect here, and done will be this. Once the QA will be filled, it will go to this state, and this is how my diagram will be created. I can save this and make it the Jira workflow diagram. We'll save it to this. Exactly similar way, I can even create it with the help of AI. I want Jira development workflow status diagram. Click on create, it will suggest me few samples, and then based on the selections we can add this diagram created successfully. Here you can see it always give me some stats, and this I can move it to somewhere else. It gave me start for the development, code review, merge to main branch, run test, and finish. So this is how AI will also help us to generate these type of diagrams, which I can even make it simple to use it, and accordingly our diagrams will be generated. It's very simple, quick enough, where we can use Gliffy for making our diagram more attractive, and we can use it for different other stages. So that's the reason I mentioned the end result will be no more confusions about what happens next. Next items I can select from file, save. When I will go to the back to Confluence, here we have this diagram has been added successfully. After that, if I want, I can even add Gliffy diagram, and next options I wanted to select as UML diagram, or we can also call as if we are building software system, UML diagrams are essentials. With Gliffy, we can create multiple UML models right inside Confluence, including class diagram, sequence diagram, component diagrams, use case diagrams, state and activity diagrams. This makes it incredibly easy for engineering, QA, DevOps, and product teams to get on the same page visually and instantly. When stakeholders understand architecture through visuals, decisions making becomes faster and more accurate. So this is my UML diagram piece where I can just select this item and click on create. Once we'll click on create, we have different options are available. As I mentioned, so you can see UML activity, UML sequence, deployment, UML components. These are different stats are available. We can easily select any of those options and get it added. So this makes it very simple when stakeholder understand architecture through visuals, decision making becomes faster and more accurate. Here we have different options like post saving. We can even export it. We can even make it to revision history, document properties, page setup, everything we can do it. And after building this, even we can click on print. This will print for me. Here we have UML classes. I can just simply drag and drop, provide the details, and that can be done. Along with that, if I wanted to build document repository management class diagram. When I entered, it started giving me some suggestions, and based on the suggestions, even we can modify it. If we want, we can change this diagrams. Double click on this and just update any fields we wanted to update it. Here we will get mermaid diagrams view, and this is the live view. The data what we will add, it will get it updated, and once the update is done, we will click on update diagrams. This what we have received. Click on save, and then you can add class diagram. So here we'll save it, and post saving we will finish with the work what we have. Once I will click on back to Confluence documentations, here is our documents. Data will be added successfully. Next documents or next diagram I wanted to build as entity relationship diagram, that is ERD. Again I will click Gliffy, add here, go to ERD diagram. I will select purchase order ERD diagram. This time I am going with some templates. So here I will get this ERD diagram generated. So before I can proceed, I wanted to give you an idea. So ERD helps team understand how data flows across system. In Gliffy, we can model database tables, primary and foreign key relationship, cardinality, attributes. This is especially useful for product analytics, backend design, data platforms, and integrations. Teams avoid misunderstanding because everyone sees data structure clearly. Now I will save this and just add ERD. Click on back to Confluence. I will have my ERD diagram also generated based on the templates. Whenever we are using templates, we can even customize it, and those customizations can be very helpful or easy to do it. The bonus steps is Gliffy does not stop here. We can also get network diagrams. That's where we can build AWS, Cisco, and server rack layouts, BPMN diagram, business workflow and automations, Mermaid code editor for code based diagramming, and data linking, which is automatically import data into your diagrams. And with the Gliffy built-in AI, we can generate a fully structured diagram for a simple text prompt and then customize it visually from zero to a professional diagrams in a minute. Now, after looking all those, what do you think? What's your view on this? Do you really think this is going to help out in your regular journey? If yes, please add comment. And if you think no, then also you can add in the comments with the regions. We wanted to understand how you can get it. And Gliffy helps you to communicate complexity clearly without long explanations, without confusions, and without external tools. Flowcharts, UML, and ERD, everything stays inside Confluence. So your documentations becomes more powerful, visuals, and incredibly easy to maintain. Want a full step-by-step tutorial on creating diagrams on Confluence using Gliffy? Drop a comment. I will record a hands-on walkthrough in next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Atlassian tutorials. If you have any suggestions, comments or feedback, always reach out to us by using comments, and I would suggest to try this tool for your next projects and share your thoughts about it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.